Strong attack. Medina, right hand. Masyadong malakas. Takbo na naman si Nico Mamaradlo. Nico uses his body. Deep shot for Nico Mamaradlo. CJ Elatica.
I know, I was gonna say that. Wala rin sa bench, ano?
So that might endure more minutes para dito kay Nico Mamaradlo.
Sa south, sa norte, no? May Kawayan all the way to the Bataan Risers. You know, that spot 6 all the way to 10 is pretty close in terms of battling.
Mart Barrera, left wing 3, off to the left. Takbo na naman, Collado. Almost blocked, but another 2. Early leaks.
We look at some of their social media posts. You see a lot of togetherness really here for Valenzuela.
Iba yung tawanan nila, coach. Ang gaan nila panoorin. Ang gaan nila. Tinan mo si Jay Collado, nagmintes. Valenzuela is one of those teams that have that kind of an environment.
You have to gotta give credit to Coach Eston Ballesteros. A lot of veterans in this team. You know, but he still was able to find that joy in these guys playing on the floor.
Back-to-back beautiful dishes. One from...
Nga pala to, no?
Lalim, Marge de Leon. Nico Mamaradlo is saying that it was all ball on the defense.
Points and 2 assists so far this game.
Si Jay, once again, he's the one attacking. Collado!
Grabe yung handle, di ba?
It's unique. He looks like a unicorn. Here he is. He's showing the ball to Nico Mamaradlo. Look who's running the trail. Shaq. Extra to Oligario. Corner 3. Straight line and in for JR Oligario.
Really good win.
Marge. The activity. Third try is good for Andre Jacob. Mamaradlo, early fire, hindi. Maba dito kay Alano. Matutulak galing sa likod. On the side of Valenzuela, they're up with 13. Alanes fires and makes it. Shaq Alanes straight lining in.
And he's a player that loves to get contact when he takes a shot.
All-arm action, but always balanced.
Oo, totoo.
Etong si Shaq Alanes, kahit na medyo mahirap. The defense. Mart. Float by Mart. It's good from Mart Barrera.
Mart Barrera.
Bulacan, takbo. Mart. Can he get another floater? Back-to-back floaters. 4-0 run in favor of Bulacan.
From the free throw line, he's a guy that normally would get about half of his shots going in. And he's one of their leaders when it comes to the three-point shot making. Meantime, De Leon and scoring for Bulacan.
Takbo agad si JR Oligario. And what a quick basket. Only 2 seconds into the shot clock and that's already a field goal. Ang daming posisyon na pwede. Pwedeng point guard, pwedeng quarterback.
Tsaka laki ng kamay niya eh.
Ngayon,
diba?
siya na rin ang blocker dito. Ayan na
See that again.
If Alano can finish, he'll get the assist. There you go. Ayoko na pong batiin ang kanyang free throw. He was 2 out of 2 earlier. Shaq will now play point. No look to Alano, and Alano, right place, right time, gets a 2.
Of the defense, where nobody really is in there to defend. Meantime, you know, another good baseline cut.
And he's liking the usage, coach. Gusto niya yung gusto niya yung marami siyang hawak sa bola. So he's not just a screener, he's just not just a pick and pop guy.
That's why he's perfect for a delay offense.
Turnover para kay Jello Muyes. They give it up. Harold Benedictos gets his first 2 of the ball game. A second remaining, the spin. Time will run out para dito sa Valenzuela and it's gonna be an 11-point lead.